Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the sticky keys pop-up on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select the accessibility entry. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select under interaction, select the keyboard entry. Make sure filter keys is also toggled off as well as toggle keys. And then once you're done with that, it's pretty much all you have to do. And one other thing we can try here as well, if you want to use the control panel, which is available on Windows 10 and Windows 11, just open that up. Sort your view by up in the top right by category view. And then you want to select ease of access. Select where it says change how your keyboard works, and then turn on sticky keys, toggle keys, and filter keys. Make sure they're all turned off. And versus turn on toggle keys by holding down the num lock key for 5 seconds. We're going to uncheck that and then select apply and OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.